I just redeemed this at Sephora. This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil. First, this is not the regular size. I'll tell you all about the regular size. I thought we would test it out and see my thoughts. When it comes to my brows, like I'm so faithful to my Anastasia pomade. I just love pomades. Try this out. It's not like I don't try pencils. No, I just don't feel as comfortable with them. Fine tip for creating hair-like strokes. Delivers natural looking texture. Custom spoolie brush. Is vegan, cruelty free, dermatologist tested, and it's made in Korea. If you were to buy the full size, it retails for $23. Lightest color that they had was soft brown. I mean, as a sample to choose. I was really excited to pick this. They have like 12 shades. For reference, in my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, I always get the shade blonde. This one is soft brown. I hope it's a good match. It's like one of their best-selling makeup products. So says some names are changing, but the shades will remain exactly the same, so you can shade match across the entire Anastasia collection. This product is an Allure Best of Beauty Award winner. Just like super careful with these because these are usually so thin. Let's see how much we get. Okay, so this is how much I get in the sample. On the other side, you get a spoolie. I cannot tell you how excited I am for this spoolie. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jenz Beauty Style, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. See how I try to work this in. After I apply, I'll come back and tell you my thoughts. Hopefully I don't have a hard time with this. Like I said, I'm not comfortable with brow pencil. Wait, first let me do a swatch. Hold on. Wow, I like my brows more like on the bold side. Wow, that is so pretty. And I do think this color works really nice, right? Like this soft brown is really pretty. I just love the spoon. Just like filling it in like that. You can do hair like strokes. This brow, and it says it's smudge proof. Oh wow, really? Look at that. It just takes me longer than my pomade, really. Maybe until I just get used to it. Here we go. You really feel like these brows are set in place. Oh my god. Like you would think that I'm moving the spoolie like this, that maybe like the color would like move, but like look. So happy that knowing that this was just a sample, that the color actually worked. So it's smudge proof, and seriously, like nothing is transferring. That is insane to me, but not a surprise. I love Anastasia brow products. I'll leave it listed in the description if you want to try it out. Check all the colors they have. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.